What's up, guys? Mark here from VIP Shop Management. I gotta show you our new email communicator. I think it's the ultimate email composer I ever seen. Google can't match this, and this is this is an understatement. I think Google should look into their composer and fix it and simplify it. They have a billion options, and none of them are easy to use besides send an email. So let's check this out. This is you're gonna see the AI assistant next to it. It's extremely powerful in a sense that you just tell it, you just say the email, you can add, you can send, you can just send it as is, or you can rewrite it professionally. You can translate it if your customer is Spanish, French, English. It doesn't matter. So let's check this out. Obviously, you're gonna see right here. You can add multiple emails. We fix all this minor things, right? You can add multiple emails and all that. You can attach images. All the stuff it's already fixed. You can select photos and attach images. You can attach multiple images. That's nothing about that. Let's look at the real thing right here. How this works and how this is gonna transform your life. I'm gonna be using this personally because I'm tired of using Gmail, and sometimes I have to use ChatGPT, and the problem with that is not to rewrite. I just don't like typing, and I don't want any grammar issues. It's not about rewriting. I think I think people live in the United States can speak English, and they don't want AI to rewrite because nobody want to read AI rewriting. But at the same time, you don't want sending grammar errors. You don't want to look like you don't know how to write or type. So let's check this out. I'm gonna say this like, hey Mark, basically, your car is gonna need pads and rotors. Let's check it in real life. Hey Mark, I just finished checking your car and it's gonna need front pads and rotors. I can do the job for $550. I can get it done today, but you gotta call me as soon as possible. Please call me on 248-820-5333. Let me know so I can start working on your car. Thanks. James. Processing. It's right there, word by word. You don't have to worry about it because we use Whisper as the number one basically translation voice to text. You can apply it as is, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I don't want any changes. I don't want AI to write the stuff. So let's read it. Hey Mark, I just finished checking your car and it's going to need front pads and rotors. I can do the job for $550. I can get it done today, but you have to call me as soon as possible. Please call me on the number. Let me start. Okay, so it's perfect, right? Hold on. Let's say that the customer is Spanish. Hold on. I don't know. I mean, I hope some Spanish person who can look into that, but this is going to translate into Spanish. The person only speak French, no problem. Back to English. Let's see. It's perfect. It's just perfect. I love it. I mean, you do have a professional writing here. If you're not good at this, you can click on that. I don't think I would be using that, but it works too. So, and then you're done. Click send. Beautiful. Everything about VIP Shop Management is gonna be amazing by July. This is the ultimate app. By the time I'm done, when I hit 100%, AI will be running this app 100%. When you have a question, you can ask AI. If you have an idea you want to add to VIP Shop Management, you can ask AI. But let's get the job done one step at a time. Be excited if you're a user of VIP Shop Management. Be excited if you're not using VIP Shop Management. This is the time to sign up and be excited at what's coming, because sometimes excitement it's better than even having what's coming. Anyway, until next time, thanks for watching.